Okay, so now that we know that we have to have 3 points in order to write a quadratic equation, they've given us 3 points. How do we do it? Well, we're going to use this standard form quadratic right here, and we're going to use the fact that the point that it passes through, that's this 1 right here is an x value, and this 2 right here is a y value. And first of all, I think you'll be okay if I rearrange this equation this way. You'll see why I want to do that in just a second. So, since I have this point and I have this quadratic formula in standard form, I can take this 1 and put it in the place of these 2 x's. I can take this 2 and plug it in there for y. So this, for the point 1, 2, becomes a times 1 squared plus b times 1 plus c equals 2. All I did was plug the 1 in for the x. This is the x value. This is a y value. I plugged 1 in for x. I plugged 2 in for y. 1 times 1 is 1, so that's just a. B times 1 is b. Okay? So plugging in the 1 and the 2, I get this equation. I'm going to do the same thing. This is an x. This is a y. I'm going to plug it in to ax squared plus bx plus c equals y. So this becomes a times 3 squared plus b times 3 plus c equals 0. So this is 9a plus 3b plus c equals 0. Down here on this last one, we're going to do ax squared plus bx plus c equals y. We get a times 5 squared plus b times 5 plus c equals 6. This becomes 25a plus 5b plus c equals 6. Okay, so what does all of that do for me? If you take these 3 equations, a plus b plus c equals 2, 9a plus 3b plus c equals 0, 25a plus 5b plus c equals 6. Hopefully what you see right here is a 3 by 3 that can be turned into a matrix, a coefficient matrix raised to the -1 times the constant matrix. We'll be able to type this into the calculator and get an answer. So the coefficient matrix, the coefficients of each one of these terms, 1, 1, 1, 9, 3, 1, 25, 5, 1. The constant matrix is 2, 0, 6. And if we go type this into the equation, we will find out what the A, B, and C terms are. Okay, let me make sure you understand. I know this is kind of in the way, so let me move this up. That's going to equal A, B, C. Okay, so I'm going to go over here and I'm going to go to my calculator. I'm going to get a 3 by 3 matrix. Why didn't that work? I don't know why that's not working. So we'll try it again. 3 by 3 matrix. 3, 3. Okay, finally. So I can't even remember now what it was. I hit this so many times. It was 111 931 2551. Okay, so I need a 1. Press the tab button. A 1. Press the tab button. 1. Tab button. 9. Tab 3. Tab. What was it? Oh goodness, I'm gonna sneeze. Excuse me. Sorry. 931. 1. Tab 25, tab 5, tab 1. Don't forget that we are supposed to be raising that to the -1 power. And then we multiply it times, we need a matrix. This time I need a 3 by 1. Not 31, 3 by 1 matrix. And what was it? It was 206. So I needed 2 tab 0 tab 6. Press enter. That means my A value is 1, my B value is -5, and my C value is 6. 1, -5, 6. A is 1, B, -5, C is 6. That means that my equation that will pass through the points 1, 2, 3, 0, and 5, 6 is 1x squared minus 5x plus 6 equals y. To check it, to show you that it's going to pass through those 3 points, I'm going to go to Desmos. I'm going to type in what I just wrote down, x squared minus 5x plus 6. X squared minus 5x plus 6. And the points that it supposedly passed through was 1, 2. So if we go over here and look at the point 1, 2, there it is right there. 1, 2. Look for the point 3, 0. 3 zeros right there. And look to the point 5, 6. 5, 6 is right there. 5, 6. There we go. So we see that this quadratic, this equation, did pass through all 3 of those points. So on every single one of your homework problems, you're going to take your 2 points, your XY point, plug it in for X, plug it in for Y, get you an ABC equation. Plug in the 3, plug in the 0, get you an ABC equation. Plug in the 5, plug in the 6, get you an ABC equation. Take those 3 ABC equations, turn it into a matrix. Use your calculator then to solve for A, B, and C. I'm going to go ahead and stop this video, but I will do one more example, and that should be enough.